All right, what's up, you guys? We're back. Me and Tom's sitting here getting mixed up. Got my lovely wife back here today helping us out with the camera. So it's taking both of us here to pull off the flood coat. We've got multiple colors going into the mix, what have you. But we are right now on the front side. We need 2 gallons to cover our piece. So we are getting mixed up here. We'll bring you back in here real soon. Show you all the pigments going in, pouring this out. Be right back. All right, y'all, so look. We get this pigment situated here. Not a big fan of these long bags here, Tom. It's hard to get in there. Look, check this out. There we go. You ready for yours?
Yep.
These long bags are no good. Look at that. Get it all over my gloves and everything. Can I put that right there?
No.
All right. So there we go. We're gonna get all this worked in. And immediately it's attracted to those sidewalls, so we don't let that sit there. We go ahead and grab that off. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna get this finished mixing, and we'll bring you right out, bring you right back when we get ready to pour out here, over here on our table. All right, y'all, here we go. So look, we're gonna come out with our first batch. Tom's already working on our colors. I got another batch over here staged. So here we go. Y'all remember, I like to get those edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead. This is a little tedious part back here. Very tedious. So I wanna go ahead and grab him. And I'll grab the other side with the other one. There we go. All right, you're gonna let that sit a second. Get my little, get all this to cover. So I'm just spreading out a little bit of what's up here to make room for the next one. There we go. All right, next one's coming. shape now. You all right over there, brother? All right. Very fast pace. Like I said, Tom's working on our colors. There we go. Let's get all that to cover real nice. See, now you see why we had that black undertones. Because when I drag this through just on this side, it lets some of that black come out, which is awesome. It's going to give it a lot more depth. A lot more depth to what we're looking at. There we go. So now we're going to let that sit. We got the colors coming. How you doing over, bro?
72.
You ready? Everything's covered really well. Now we're going to be, bear with us here, we're going to be dropping in, we're getting ready to switch over to our colors and everything. I got another copper coming, and I got the two colors that are boldly going to go through here as well. Bring you right back. All right, so these are our two colors here. This is the bronze stone, and this other one is like a gold copper. So now I'm going to get these kind of mixed up here. This is our bronze stone. Look at that guy. Well, that's a elegant color right there. It's really pretty.